Just a
Hare
little
Krishna.
amount, just 10,000.
10,000. Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you, Jayesh Prabhuji and Nita Mataji.
What you've done today, it's amazing and deserves a very big round of applause, ladies and gentlemen. Not only they have organized and invited everyone to this beautiful Bhagavad Katha, but it gives me an immense proud कि उन्होंने आज $108,000 contribute किए हैं towards rebuilding the temple. Thank you so much, Ketan ji and Kinalven. Thank you. Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare. Can I please welcome on stage Nikesh Patel? Nikesh ji has very generously donated $108,000 towards the temple. Ram, Hare Ram, 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 Hare Hare. So next, we have Mr. Ronak Patel. Thank you very much for your generous contribution of $20,000. Can I please invite you on stage? Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna. Somal Ben and Mahendra Bhai, thank you so much for your generous contribution of $30,000. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare. Can I please give a big round of applause for Vasudha Patel for very generously contributing $20,000. Thank you so much, Vasudha ji.
जब सत्कर्म हो रहा हो और भगवान ने हमें योग्यता दी हो तो हमें अपनी योग्यता से उस सत्कर्म में भाग लेना चाहिए। इस वर्तमान में कलयुग में इससे बड़ा सत्कर्म और क्या हो सकता है, क्योंकि अन्य कोई पुण्य कर्म हम करते हैं तो वह 1 दिन 2 दिन 10 दिन तक रहते हैं, परंतु भगवान का मंदिर बनने जा रहा है। ऐसे अवसर में यदि हम सेवा करते हैं तो अनंत काल तक, अनंत वर्षों तक इस मंदिर की चौखट पर जो कोई भी चढ़ेगा, जिनको भगवत प्रेम भक्ति प्राप्त होगी हैं। आजकल ये प्रॉपर्टी का जो बिजनेस करते हैं उसमें भी 2-5% तो मिल ही जाता है ना, प्रॉपर्टी सेल करने पर हैं। सो आपके सहयोग से मंदिर बनेगा और उनसे अनेकों लोग भक्त बनेंगे तो उनका कुछ हिस्सा आप जहाँ कहीं भी होगे आपको प्राप्त होगा। सो बहुत सुंदर यह सेवा है और इस सेवा में अपनी योग्यता से सबको आगे आकर भाग लेना चाहिए।
हमारे टेंपल के काउंसिल के मेंबर हिज ग्रेस घनश्याम गोविंद प्रभु को मैं यहाँ आमंत्रित करना चाहता हूँ, वो कुछ 2 शब्द बोले। सो विल चैंट वन हरे कृष्णा महामंत्रा। हरे कृष्णा
कृष्णा कृष्णा हरे हरे,
हरे राम 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 हरे। श्री श्री राधा गोपीनाथ भगवान की जगत गुरु श्रील प्रभुपाद की, His Grace Lal Govind Das Prabhu ki jai. Hare Krishna. We welcome you all for this wonderful Bhagavad Katha. I was speaking to many of our guests when they were having prasadam earlier this evening. Many have traveled interstate to come and listen to Prabhu's Katha. And I was speaking to one of the devotees and we were talking to each other. We have all got experience attending classes, some pravachan on Bhagavatam or any other Purana. As the time passes, we would always look at our clock. When is the class going to finish? But when Prabhuji starts the Katha, he builds it up and he says, we'll see it next. We say like, why now? Why are you stopping now? Prabhu has that amazing quality to actually stop time. You completely forget about how long you have been attending the classes. Now I have told you, I see some of you are looking at your watch. That's the potency of Prabhu. We are very fortunate to participate in this 489th Bhagavat Katha. Let's chant one Hare Krishna Maha Mantra, expressing our gratitude to His Grace Lal Govind Prabhu. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. On behalf of ISKCON Sydney, all the devotees of our community, we express our humble gratitude, Prabhu. Thank you so much for taking your time and not forgetting us and visiting us, giving us your graceful presence year after year. Thank you very much, Prabhuji. We have a very important information to share with you. This is Sri Radha Gopinath Ji. Beautiful smiling deities, very dear to Srila Prabhupada. Srila Prabhupada personally brought them to Sydney in 1971, and he installed them in our temple. In fact, Srila Prabhupada started the very first Hindu temple in whole of Australia. And this is the first ISKCON temple also, as well as for whole of Australia, this is the first Hindu temple. Srila Prabhupada brought them, keeping them seated right next to him on Malaysian Airlines. In fact, Gopinath Ji, he came in as check-in baggage until Malaysia. Probably he might have complained to Srila Prabhupada. And then from Malaysia onwards, they both visited, being seated, one on the lap of Srila Prabhupada and another one on the seat. And Srila Prabhupada brought them, and they were installed on 10th of May 1971. How many of you have been to Vrindavan? So many of you. Sri Radharaman Lal ki. Sri Radha Gopinath, they share the same Brahmotsav day, appearance day or birthday along with Sri Radharaman Lal. They arrived here on Narasingha Chaturthasi, and the day after Narasingha Chaturthasi, which is exactly the same appearance day of Sri Radharaman Lal, Srila Prabhupada installed them and he gave them the name Radha Gopinath. Because he was handing over these beautiful deities for worship to Westerners who are not familiar with the Vedic standard of life, Srila Prabhupada trained them, and Prabhupada made a very unusual prayer to them. He said, I'm leaving you in the hands of the Mlechas. You please give them intelligence how to worship you. I cannot take the responsibility. So Prabhupada made this very unusual prayer. He taught the local devotees, and then Prabhupada went on world tour doing his prachar. 1 year later, when Prabhupada came in 1972 to Sydney again, he came in front of them, and Prabhupada was very visibly pleased to see the standard of worship which they have been maintaining. And it was at that occasion Prabhupada revealed this heartfelt prayer he made to them a year before. So since then, Sri Radha Gopinath, they have been worshipped by so many people. The building where they have been worshipped for the last so many years in North Sydney, it's very old, it has become dilapidated. So few years ago, a group of devotees in our community, they came together, and then they went with the proposal of knocking down the building and rebuilding it, because the building has become very old, more than 75 years old. And then they went on this journey to get the DA approved, and by the mercy of Sri Radha Gopinath and Srila Prabhupada, we got the DA approved by North Sydney Council in early May this year. Thank you all very much for your support and prayers. I want to take this opportunity to express my heartfelt gratitude to each and every one of you who have given us your time, your encouragement, your support, financial contributions, most importantly, to make this project a reality and who have brought this project this far. So the timeline for this project moving ahead would be, in the next 2 years, we would like to realize at least 70% of the funds needed. When we had launched the DA, the cost of the project at that point of time was $15 million. That was 3 years ago. So with the inflation rate and everything, you can expect it to go however much. By the mercy of Srila Prabhupada and Sri Radha Gopinath, we have, in the last 3 years, ever since we got onto this journey, we have raised close to $6 million. Thank you all very much, which is about like 1/3 of the funds which is already realized. So again, I want to take this opportunity to thank each and every one of you who have pledged and started to contribute and to make us realize close to $6 million now. So today we have prepared a video, very short video, about 4 minutes. We'll play it now and then we will share with you what are the different ways how you can contribute. One thing we just want to express it is no amount is big or small. Krishna sees what is in our heart. Prabhuji's class I was watching online last 3 days. And how Prabhu was explaining this form of the Lord as Lord Jagannath, he manifested. This is how, if love manifests into a form, this is how it would look. Beautiful, smiling, ecstatic, blissful face. So one of Krishna's name is Bhavagrahi Janardhan. How much ever we can do, we should do. We have, so far, we have $1 million donor. That's the biggest donor who have pledged for this project. And the least one we have is from one university student who has pledged $1,000 from whatever part-time Lakshmi can save. And we have little kids in our community who have pledged how much ever they manage to save in their piggy bank, they would contribute. So no amount is big or small. Whole idea here is Krishna is bringing all of us together so we can do something worthy in our life. It is said that if we don't have something in our life worth dying for, our life is not worth living for. So something we do, we should always look back and feel proud about. As we leave this world, we come to this world, we celebrate our culture, we raise our kids, we need to do something to leave it for them. If we build a temple, temple will be worshipped. As Prabhuji said, for next 10,000 years, Sri Radha Gopinath would be manifesting and giving blessings, mercy to countless number of people. If you come to our temple in North Sydney, we serve free food 3 times a day. In a year, we distribute 150,000 plates of free prasadam every single day, every single year. And people from all walks of life, they come. Even during COVID time, we were distributing prasadam in huge quantities. So this is a wonderful opportunity how we can all come together, chip in whatever little way we can. Something we can always look back and feel proud about, happy about. And every single dollar that you donate is a tax deductible donation. So we want to share this humble offering we are making for Sri Radha Gopinath for their pleasure. So this is our humble offering, what you're about to see in the video there. And then we would request Mansi ji to come and share a few words about how you can contribute for this wonderful project. Something which is not a one man's job or one family's job. It's the job of all of us. And let us all do something so that we leave something for our next generation. Culture is all that we can give to our kids so that they can carry the legacy forward. I want to take this opportunity to thank His Grace Lal Govinda Das Prabhu for giving me this opportunity to share about our humble project. Hare Krishna.
Srila Prabhupada personally carried the most beautiful and merciful deities of Sri Sri Radha Gopinath across the ocean to Sydney. On May 10th, 1971, he personally installed them at the Parrington Temple and gave them their name. From that day, Radha Gopinath have presided over a total of 11 ISKCON Sydney temples, from Glebe to Double Bay, Surrey Hills to Darlinghurst. And on the most auspicious day of Gaura Purnima, March 18th, 1992, they finally arrived at the corner of Falcon and Miller Streets, North Sydney, where they have been lovingly worshipped and cared for by hundreds and thousands of devotees. Every single day since, 6 aratis and food offerings have been made to them, beginning at 4:30 a.m. until 9 p.m. Their auspicious presence in Sydney has allowed so many sincere souls to take to the path of bhakti and perfect their lives in Krishna consciousness. Now, it is our turn to give something back to them with love. Shri Shri Radha Gopinath have graced Sydney from rented homes and modest altars. Now, for the first time, they will have a home built entirely for them. A grand new altar and spacious deity department in a temple room almost twice the size of the current one. Ornate three-dimensional bas reliefs of Nrsimhadev and Ram Darbar. The building draws inspiration from Rupa Goswami's Govindaji temple in Vrindavan and the great Jagannath Puri temple, with a facade of traditional Jaisalmer sandstone sourced from Rajasthan. A Dhwaja Stamba standing tall at the entrance. Beyond the temple room, there will be a function hall with a stage for ceremonies, marriages and yagnas, a gift shop and Mahaprasadam stall, an art gallery, a multimedia room and larger meeting rooms, a larger ashram with congregational guest rooms, a women's private room, a large Tulasi Maharani greenhouse on the northeastern terrace, a larger modernized commercial kitchen for Hare Krishna Food for Life operations, which currently serves more than 150,000 free meals around Sydney annually, a beautiful outdoor garden with canopy trees for japa and relaxation, larger public toilets, a wheelchair-accessible restroom, and a 4-level underground car park for 36 cars. The only Vedic temple serving over 140 suburbs across the upper and lower North Shore, Northern Beaches, Forest District, and Sydney City. All of this just 5 minutes from Sydney's CBD. This vision has been years in the making. Since 2022, a dedicated team of devotees has been researching, planning, and conducting site visits with meticulous attention to every detail. The development application was approved in May 2026. That means the path is now clear. Over the next few years, construction funds will be raised. An interim home will be arranged for Shri Shri Radha Gopinath and construction will begin. By 2030, Shri Shri Radha Gopinath will be offered a brand new home, one worthy of the blessings they have given this city for over half a century. Shri Shri Radha Gopinath have never asked for anything. They have simply given. Every arati, every kirtan, every festival and every feast, every moment of peace you have felt in their presence. This is our chance to serve them back. Whether through your time, your skills, or your contribution, every effort now counts. The temple is ready to be built, and this is your invitation to be part of it. So come forward and be a part of this once-in-a-lifetime opportunity.
કન્ટિન્યુ અહીંયા પણ તાળીઓ વાગવી જોઈએ. વાય નોટ? ઇટ્સ અ બિગ થિંગ. આપણા ધર્મ, આપણા કલ્ચર માટે બહુ જ ગર્વની વાત છે. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Mansi, and it's my honor and privilege to be part of this fundraiser today. It gives me an immense pleasure just to think કે આપણા માટે, આપણું ધર્મ, કરમ, કેટલી વાર કોર્પોરેટ જોબમાં હેરાન થયા હશું, પ્રમોશન્સ માંગ્યા હશે. Life is so difficult and we all go through our ups and downs, you know, બાથરૂમમાં રડ્યા હોઈશું, especially for women, like giving a birth, this, that, everything, right? But today is an opportunity, and you know, in my head I was thinking ke how lucky am I, how lucky everyone who's present over here is કે આપણા જેવા તુચ્છ મનુષ્ય, you know, જે ખાલી આજે સ્પેશિયલ પર શું છે એના પર નજર રાખતા હોય, એને ઓપોર્ચ્યુનિટી મળી છે ટુ reunite with your faith, with your culture, with હરે કૃષ્ણ. અને આપણી તો શું જ औकात કે આપણે એમના માટે કંઈ કરીએ, જેને આ સંસાર બનાવ્યો, જેને આપણું ઘર વસાયું, જેને આપણને પરિવાર આપ્યો, એના માટે આપણે શું જ કરી શકવાના હતા. તો ઇવન આઈ થિંક આપણે અહીંયા પ્રેઝન્ટ છે ને, તો એ પણ આપણા માટે બહુ જ મોટી વાત છે, રાઈટ? સો give a very big hand for the people who have made this possible. Give me a big round of applause for Patel family. And the reason I'm saying this is, એવું નથી કે because they have contributed to organize this, so I'm praising them and all. No, I'm sure we all could have also done that, right? I mean, we have that much money we have કે એક કથા તો આપણે ઓર્ગેનાઇઝ કરી શકીએ, ઘરે બી સત્યનારાયણની કથા કરીએ, વારંવાર પૂજા કરીએ. It's not the money, it's the effort, it's the intent which counts, and that's why I bow down to you કે તમે બીજા માટે પણ વિચાર્યું, રાઈટ? તમે એવું વિચાર્યું કે હું કંઈક કરીશ તો કમ્યુનિટી ભેગી થશે, બધા જોડે આવશે. સો ધેટ્સ અ bigger intent. સો થેન્ક યુ સો મચ. તમે બહુ જ સરસ બોલો છો અને आई वॉज लिसनिंग वेरी केयरफुली તમારી કથામાં. मैं आपसे सवाल पूछना चाहूँगी. टू सर्वाइव, है ना, जिंदा रहने के लिए आपके हिसाब से सबसे ज़्यादा क्या ज़रूरी है? पैसा, संस्कार, मनी, या बट आई गो टूवर्ड्स लिटिल बिट लाइक मोदी जी. पॉलिटिशियंस जो कैंपेन करते थे, जिस पे हम उनको वोट देते थे, वो था रोटी कपड़ा मकान, है ना, सर्वाइवल के लिए. यू नीड फूड, यू नीड क्लोथ्स, यू नीड हाउस, यू नीड छत. तो आपको ऐसा लगता है येस और नो कि क्या इंपॉर्टेंट है, रोटी कपड़ा मकान, येस और नो? यस. जब हम डोनेट करेंगे या दान करेंगे तो मैं आपको 9 लखा हार दे दूं, फिर विंटर वेयर दे दूं, तो आपको चलेगा? अगर मैं आपको मकान ना दूं तो वो पहन के थोड़ी ना आप सड़क पे सोओगे, है ना? तो दैट्स व्हाई वी आर हियर टुडे फॉर अ वेरी नोबल कॉज. क्योंकि भगवान को हम जितनी भी ज्वेलरी दे दे या अच्छे अच्छे कपड़े दे दे या जो भी दे दे, बट उनका मकान तो उनके लिए ज़रूरी है और उनसे ज़्यादा हमारे लिए ज़रूरी है. क्योंकि जैसा गुरुजी ने कहा कि हम रहे ना रहे, बट हमारे संस्कार रहने चाहिए, हमारे बच्चों के लिए हमें कल्चर जो छोड़ के जाना है वो रहना चाहिए, राइट? So today, can I please request everybody to be seated because we are starting something really important. We are starting the fundraiser. आप देखोगे क्राउड में बहुत सारे वॉलंटियर्स हैं और सबके पास ये वाला फॉर्म है. अगर कोई डोनेट करना चाहे तो प्लीज़ पुट योर हैंड अप, और हमारे जो वॉलंटियर्स हैं जो क्राउड में, वो आके आपसे आपका फॉर्म ले लेंगे. अगर आप चाहे तो आप अनोनिमसली भी डोनेट कर सकते हैं, और अगर आप चाहे तो अपना नाम देकर भी डोनेट कर सकते हैं. और आज जो डोनेट करेगा उनके लिए एज अ टोकन ऑफ अप्रिसिएशन एंड आवर थैंक यू जेस्चर, हमारे जो प्रभु जी हैं उन्हें एक भेंट समर्पण करेंगे और राधा कृष्ण जी का फोटो भी उनको देंगे. और जैसे कि मैंने कहा कि नो डोनेशन इज़ बिग और स्मॉल. अगर आपके मन में इच्छा है और कोई अलग अमाउंट है तो भी यू कैन पुट योर हैंड अप. सो वी कैन ऑल्सो स्टार्ट विथ अ स्मॉलर अमाउंट. और ये जो अमाउंट है ये आपको बाय द वे बहुत बड़ी चीज़ जो है मैंने आपको नहीं बताई, एक बार में नहीं देना है. सो टुडे यू जस्ट हैव टू प्लेज कि मैं कोशिश करूँगा कि मैं $100,000 4 साल के टाइम में कंप्लीट करूँ. आप अपने इंस्टॉलमेंट्स चूज़ कर सकते हैं. आप पहले कितना देंगे, बाद में मंथली देंगे, वीकली देंगे, जो भी आपके इंस्टॉलमेंट्स है, सिस्टम है, दैट यू कैन चूज़. इट एग्जैक्टली वर्क्स लाइक अ सैलरी कि आपके अकाउंट में एवरी मंथ जो सैलरी आ रही है उसमें से आपको $100, $1,000, $10,000 जो भी आप सैक्रिफाइस करना चाहे towards a bigger purpose, you can do that. I think that's a very important information which I missed out. मैं एक बार समझा देती हूँ. If you pledge for $500,000 per year, आपके हिस्से आएंगे $125,000. अगर आप प्लेज करते हो $200,000 for example, तो per year you will have $50,000. If you're pledging for $108,000 तो $27,000. If you're pledging for $50,000 for 4 years तो आप per year सिर्फ 12,500 रुपीज़ डोनेट करोगे. तो पर ईयर अगर आप 12,500 डोनेट कर रहे हो, दैट मीन्स मंथली आप $1,100 डोनेट कर रहे हो, विच इज़ नॉट अ वेरी बिग अमाउंट. थैंकफुली ऊपर वाले ने इतना दिया है. $30,000 अगर आप प्लेज करते हो तो 7,500 होता है ईयरली. एंड दिस इज़ अ टैक्स डिडक्टेबल इनकम. तो यहाँ पे जो फाइनेंशियल बैकग्राउंड से है और जो अकाउंट्स थोड़ा बहुत भी जानते हैं तो उनको पता है कि दिस इज़ नॉट गोइंग टू बी डिडक्टेबल मनी एंड दिस विल ऑल्सो एक्चुअली हेल्प यू विथ योर टैक्स रिटर्न. $20,000 अगर 4 years के लिए आप प्लेज करते हो तो एक साल के सिर्फ $5,000 है. और अगर एक साल के $5,000 एंड इफ़ यू ब्रेक इट डाउन तो मंथली वो अमाउंट बहुत ही छोटा हो जाता है. एंड $10,000 अगर आप 4 years में प्लेज करते हो तो एक साल में सिर्फ $2,500 है. तो मंथली रफली इट कम्स टू अराउंड $200 अ मंथ, विच इज़ अ वेरी स्मॉल कॉन्ट्रीब्यूशन. Who would like to put their hand up and show their love towards the temple? Thank you so much. Can I please know the amount that you would like to pledge? Thank you for starting the process first of all.
Hare Krishna. Just
Hare
a little
Krishna.
amount, just 10,000.
10,000. Thank you.
Thank you, Jayesh Prabhuji and Nita Mataji.
What you have done today, it's amazing and deserves a very big round of applause, ladies and gentlemen. Not only they have organized and invited everyone to this beautiful Bhagavad Katha, but it gives me an immense proud कि उन्होंने आज $108,000 contribute किए हैं towards rebuilding the temple. मैं जानती हूँ कि आप ज़्यादा शायद बात करने में बिलीव नहीं करते, बट वॉट मेड यू डू दिस अगर आप शेयर करोगे तो शायद दूसरे लोग भी इंस्पायर होंगे. प्लीज़.
This is not the only one that I have donated, but I believe in a donation. And there is so many of them before we have done, and this is not a big one. This is nothing big one. So, yeah, I believe in a donation. Yeah.
Thank you so much, Ketan ji and Kinalben. Thank you. Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare. Can I please welcome on stage Nikesh Patel? Nikesh ji has very generously donated $108,000 towards the temple. Ram, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare. So next we have Mr. Ronak Patel. Thank you very much for your generous contribution of $20,000. Can I please invite you on stage? Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare. Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare. Somal Ben and Mahendra Bhai, thank you so much for your generous contribution of $30,000. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare. Can I please give a big round of applause for Vasudha Patel for very, very generously contributing $20,000. Thank you so much, Vasudha ji.